Good morning, OPSC aspirants. I have been receiving many queries regarding anthropology, such as why anthropology should be taken as an optional, its strategy, books which you need to refer, how you need to cover the syllabus. So, I'll discuss all these topics in this video. I'll start with why anthropology should be taken as an optional. First of all, it can be taken you can take anthropology because it has a very simple understanding. The language is very simple when it comes to studying of the subject. Second is it has a very short syllabus. Third, the questions are more direct as compared to other optionals. When you refer to the questions, you will find it that they are more direct when you compare it with the syllabus. Third is it can be taken by any person from any stream, such as whether he's from arts, commerce, or science. It can be taken by any person. Any person from any stream will be able to understand this subject. Next is anthropology. When you take it, when you compare it, when you study it, you will find out that in this subject, questions which are from the current affairs are very less. So you do not need to update it with current affairs much. So it is more of a static kind of a syllabus. So that is why you can take anthropology as an optional. Now I'll speak about the books which you need to refer, which is very important part. Now if you see anthropology, as I told in my last video, you can divide in 4 parts, and similarly I will only refer you the basic 4 books which you need to refer. First, for physical anthropology, if you see, I'll start with the syllabus. I request every one of you to keep a copy of syllabus with you in your hand or in your mobile phone. If you see, physical anthropology in the syllabus starts from unit 1 till unit 5. So unit 1 to unit 5 is physical anthropology. For that, you need to refer a book called as P. Nath. Now second is, when you see the syllabus, units from unit 6 till unit 12. From unit 6 to unit 12, that is related to social anthropology, you need to refer to a book that is an Introduction to Social Anthropology by Makhan Jha. These are the 2 books which you need to refer for paper 1. When it comes to paper 2, you need to refer 2 books. That is Indian Anthropology by Nadeem Hasnain. That is for the social anthropology part of India. And for the second part, that is Tribal India, you need to refer book that is Tribal India by Nadeem Hasnain. So both the books are written by Nadeem Hasnain. You need to refer these 2 books for paper 2. Apart from this, you need to visit Ministry of Tribal Affairs website regularly to see any updates, any new thing that has been added. Apart from that, you need to refer to Zaza report, that is on Tribal India, and you also need to refer to the National Tribal Policy, which is also of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. You can find it on its website. If it's not there, I'll share the report with you. This is how you will. These are the 4 books which you need to refer for the anthropology as an optional. Apart from that, since there was some technical glitch because of which I could not update the videos and study material, I'll be doing it now. Now onwards, I'll be doing it regularly. So I request you all to follow that sequence. Whenever it is done, you refer to the material, as well as if you wish to refer to these material books, the reference books, you can go through those books also. And this is how you should proceed. We will start from now onwards. We'll start from topic 1, and this is how we will proceed, starting with the basics such as understanding definition of anthropology and its various streams. This is how we'll start. Then we'll move on to the social anthropology part. This is more crisp and better in understanding, and then we'll move on to physical anthropology. This is how we proceed, and then we'll move on to paper 2.